I just heard someone asking me, what am I doing? I'm wiping my hands because they are wet. And you know why they are wet? Because I just washed them and came. And do you know why did I wash them? Because today I'm going to do an amazing cooking activity with all of you. So are you all ready with the learning box by Puntoon Kids? And today we are here to celebrate New Year. Yes, we are going to say bye to 2022 and say hi to 2023. So are you all ready? Let's get set. So let's see what all do we need for making a tasty, yummy celebration cake. Okay. So what we need is some slices of bread. There are 6 here. Yes, you all can even make with 4 or 5. And we need some milk. And we need some powdered sugar. Some yummy, colorful gems. And some Oreo cookies. Yes, as per your bread, you need to use your Oreo cookies. So for my 6 slices of bread, I am going to use 1.5 packet of Oreo cookies. And some yummy chocolate. Okay. So we are going to use all of this for making a yummy, tasty cake at home and celebrate New Year's with mommy and daddy. So first, let's start with grating the yummy chocolate. Okay, see, I've taken a grater, but be careful. The grater is sharp, so make sure that you take mommy's help. Okay. And after grating the entire chocolate, what are we going to do with the bowl? We are going to keep it in the refrigerator so that the chocolate flakes become nice and hard and crunchy for the cake. Okay. So now I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator. Now let's take the cookies. And what am I going to do? I'm going to separate the 2 pieces. I'm going to put the cookie in one bowl and the cream in the other bowl. And I'm going to do the same thing with 1.5 packet of cookies so that we have sufficient for our yummy cake. So now I have cookies from 1.5 packets over here and the cream of these cookies here. And what am I going to do? I am going to take a Ziploc and I'm going to put all the cookies in this Ziploc. Yes, it has to be a nice and clean one. Okay. And tightly seal it. Okay. And just before sealing the end, remove all the air out and then seal the end too. So now let me see if it's nicely tightly sealed. Yes. And now I am going to take a rolling pin and crush the cookies. Now that my biscuit is nicely crushed, what am I going to do? I'm going to take a large bowl and I am going to pour the crushed biscuit in the bowl. Let's pour it and there you go. So we have the crushed biscuit in the bowl. Now let's add some milk to the crushed cookies. I think our cake is going to turn out to be yummy. And now let us make a paste of this. Come on, let's mix it. Mix and make a paste. And there, one of the layers is ready. Now let's take the powdered sugar and put some water in the powdered sugar and let us mix it. Let's mix it. Mix and mix and mix, and the sugar syrup is ready. See? There, the sugar syrup is ready. Now, finally, what are we going to do is we are going to cut the sides of the bread slices. But make sure you're going to tell mommy to do it, okay? You all don't have to do this on your own. Babies cannot use knives, alright? So let's see. I am cutting the sides of the breads, and in this way, I have to do it with 6 slices. How many slices? 6 slices. And you have to tell your mommy to give you 6 such slices of bread which do not have the sides. Okay. So once we've cut all the bread slices, we're going to put one at a time on the plate. Put a little bit of sugar syrup and spread it out on the bread. And now some of the yummy cookies sauce that we made. Remember, we crushed the cookies and we put some milk in it and mixed it and mixed it and mixed it. And let's spread the sauce. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to put in another slice of bread. And then again, put some sugar syrup and spread it on the slice. Spread it. And again some sauce. The cookie sauce. What are we going to call it? The cookie sauce. And let's spread it and spread it nicely. Oh my God, I just can't wait to eat this yummy cake. Can you all wait? No, no. And this is how we are going to do for 6 slices. So I'm going to take another slice and I'm going to put some sugar syrup and spread it out. And now what should I do? Should I put another slice of bread directly? No, we have to put the yummy cookie sauce. So let's spread and spread. And you know what we'll do to cover the sides? Let's take a little bit of the cookie sauce on the reverse side of the spoon so that it doesn't fall too much on the plate, and spread it on the sides. Okay? And in that way, we will spread it on all the 4 sides. And we will use all the slices of bread like this. So we have 6 slices. Okay? Once we've put all the 6 slices one above the other with the sugar syrup and then the cookie sauce, let's clean our plates with the tissue. What am I using? I'm using a tissue to clean the plate, right? Our plate shouldn't look messy. And there, it's ready. And now we'll get the choco chips. You remember we kept it in the refrigerator. We'll get these choco chips and then keep a cookie cutter on the side and take the choco chips and spread it on the cake on the sides. Now you know why I washed my hands? Yes? Because we have to make sure that our cake is nice and clean and hygienic, right? Everyone else also has to eat it. So always wash your hands before making anything that you eat. And let's stick some on the sides. This cake is coming up. Really yummy and delicious. Who's waiting to eat it? Who is waiting to eat it? My cute, cute babies. Yeah, you're all waiting to eat it, and I'm covering it with the chocolate chips on all the sides. And how does it look? Yummy. And this yummy yummy is going to go in my tummy. Oh, you want it too? Very good. And there, our cake is almost ready. Pick up the stars slowly. And there we have a star shape. And now I'm going to take some gems and I'm going to put the gems on the edges. Who likes gems? Who likes gems? Me! You too? Very good. And now let's keep this yummy, yummy cake in the refrigerator. And while I go to do that, I want all of you to like, share and subscribe as we are all going to enjoy the new year. So bye. See you soon. Enjoy your new year. A big, big happy new year to all.